Tayo sakay. Ako.
Go. Hindi kaya. Ito, Bi. Kaya ba? Taas! Mahina nila lang.
Napapalo ko eh. Wala na ako sa camera.
Lubog ka na.
My God. Wala po tayo.
Yan. Okay, yan.
It's so sweet.
Yes, hurry up. You'll go away now.
Pwede ko sa media.
I've set my trap.
Uy, Moses.
Slide.
What do you like this one?
Yako.
You're interested. Take with that.
Ano ka electric fan ka?
Tell him. But
Ayusin mo yung camera dyan, Ti.
Oo.
Sumamay.
Ilaw. Ano yan?
you're the
Bagal, yung mabagal. Paano yung mabagal? Ay, mabagal. Yung mabilis. Ay, tangina. Hayop.
Outside. Ikaw.
Although may ginawa ko sa dulo. Pero na-enjoy ko yung performance. Baka
Nasa sa kalaban.
na-enjoy ko yung part. Pero aabangan ko
Uy.
Aray ko. Yung kilikili! Dapat pala naka-wide eh. Para ano, yung kuha. Buo.
Second day na ng ating jogging and ito naman yung gagamitin ko for today's video. Yung from Limok, yung kanilang glossy jelly lip tint. Okay, lip and cheek din to. So, hindi tayo papahagard for today's video. Ito naman yung gagamitin ko ngayon. Diba kahapon focal, ito naman ngayon. Yung Limok Beauty. Hindi po perfect. Inabot na naman tayo ng gabi eh. Lagay lang ko dyan ng very very light. Diba? Freshability sa lips din natin. This is shade G106. Fresh tayo. Ito yung kanilang glossy lip tint na pag in-apply mo, nag-iwan siya ng color stain. So, ayun. Let's go na guys. Kasi ginabi na naman tayo. Magsasapatos lang ako. And this is my look pala. Kung nakikita nyo, all look tayo ngayon. Sapatos lang tayo. Here is my final look, guys. Diba? Babaihan. Pabango tayo. Para fresh. So, let's go. All done na ako. So, ayan, we're going na. Ginabi na naman tayo for today's video. So, doon na ulit tayo pupunta sa NLEX. Kaming recruit ngayon.
Ay ka. Ay ka.
Sakay na. Huwag matumba ha. Kaya? So, let's go guys. We are going again. Oh, it's already 5:30. And, yeah, madilim na. So, magja-jogging ulit tayo. For today's video is dalawang balik naman. Excuse me. Ito pala yung outfit ko. Ito na ba? So, paano mapag-TikTok later? So, yan. Dito ulit tayo dadaan. Okay. Sana maabutan pa natin yung araw. So, here it is again and again and again. Ay, ng bundok. Shortcut to guys. Kasi doon sa kabila is meron din. May daanan din naman. So, shortcut lang to dito. Wow.
Parang may ano ka pa.
So, ayan. We're here again. Sa NLEX. Doon ako banda tatakbo. Parang gagawin ko na lang is tawag doon. Para red. Doon na ako. Kung saan kami mag-i-stop, doon ako mag-i-start. Tapos, syempre mag-warm up muna ako. Kailangan. Ganun. So, yan. Mahangin dito guys. Super duper hangin. And, yeah. Hindi ko alam kung mahangin siya kasi may factory dito. May factory dito banda. Ito. Yan. Factory yan ng mga pids. Ganun. So, ewan ko kung dahil doon o sadyang malawak lang talaga dito at maraming mga puno-puno. Ganyan. And, ano siya? As in, maganda talaga. Nakaka-refresh yung paligid. Ayan ang aking ama. May recruit kami. So bukas na kami. Sasama namin si Tito Boy. So ayan. Maghahanap lang kami ng i-stopan. Tapos doon na lang ako tatakbo. Siguro kung doon kami i-stop. Kung doon sa mga maraming OAT or basta kung saan kami makakapag-play. Tapos doon na lang ako magtatakbo. Ayun o, ang ganda. Ginabi na naman eh kasi sayang. Super mahangin siya here. Yan. Bongga. Tapos na tayo magpapawis. And haggard ba? Yan. Tumakbo lang tayo ng ilang laps para makapagpapawis, makapaglabas ng pawis. And yeah, good. Nakakapagod talaga siya. Pero pag tuloy-tuloy yan, masanay din yung inyong mga katawan, di ba? Dapat magpa-volleyball pa kami kaso dilim na, malabo ang aking mata. Baka mamaya ako pa yung mga papunta dun sa tubig. Kasi itong harapan ko ngayon is tubig. Yan. Tubig yan siya and malambot yung lupa. So, baka mamaya ako magpupunta, ako pupulot, diba? siguro next time agahan na lang ulit. Kasi, hindi ko na pa ng oras. So, magsi-6 na yata. So, yun. Tomorrow ulit. Pumulikat yung aking paa. Pero, kailangan ko lang i-stretch. So, ayan. Okay ba yan? Ang aking face. Aking lip and cheek tint is from Limok Beauty. Thank you po. Tingnan mo guys kung gaano kaganda yan. Hanggang pag uwi ng bahay, kahit uminom ka ng tubig, hindi siya mahuhulas. Kasi itong gloss na yan na nandyan, pwede mo siyang i-wipe out. And, yan. Yan. Pag winipe out mo siya, matitira siyang color tint. At yun yung nagsisilbi niya as waterproof siya. Ganun. So, ayan. Thank you, Limok Beauty. So, maya-maya guys, papahinga lang ako and maya-maya isuwi na rin. Ayun sila. Naglalakad sa walang hanggan. Katulad ng ganito sa amin kasi dito is nasa Bulacan kami right now. Sa Cavite meron din kaming parang malawak na daanan. Tawag naman H siya. Tapos parang ganito din siya. Pwedeng joggingan. Tara na. Ang kaibahan lang doon is may mga nagbibenta. Saka kahit pa paano may mga ilaw-ilaw. Dito kasi wala talaga. Ang nagsisilbing ilaw lang is yung toll gate. Ayan. Toll gate ng NLEX. So, ayan. We are going na. Kasi, gabi na. Bigyan na natin yung isang phone. So, mamaya na lang ulit ako magbibideo kapag nandun na kami sa liwanag. Bakit ganyan? Ha? Ay, may tubig kayo? Doyo. Lano. Ayoko na. So, yan, naghaharutan ng aking mag-ama. Look at that. Kung gaano kadilim yan. And ang nagsisilbing pinakailaw lang yan is yung lighthouse ng factory ng feeds ng mga manok. Tignan nyo kung gaano kadilim. My gosh. Mamaya meron tayo ditong maksalubong. So, ayan. Diba? Ang dilim. Kita nyo ba? So, yung lakad natin na to is parang na rin siya, exercise. Kasi actually medyo malayo-layo din eh. Mga 1,000 step. Ganun. Dun pa kami sa dulo. Dun. Kung kikita nyo dun. Dun pa. So, ayan guys. Tayo banda sa may ilaw. Oh my God. Creepy ah. Creepy siya kapag nagbibideo ka, pero kapag naglalakad ka lang, hindi. Yan, dito tayo sa may ilaw. Diba? Tingnan nyo kung gaano kadilim yung likod ko. Diba? Am I pretty? I'm so pretty. Hindi yun mawawala sa video ko. Sabihin ko maganda yung sarili. So yun guys, mamaya na lang ulit. And there's a cat. Kung nakikita nyo, may pusa. Ewan ko kung magiging aswang siya. May video eh. So, yan here. Dito na kami sa may kalsada. Meron ng ilaw dito. So, ayan. Hindi tayo para gumit na sa daanan. Ayan, lagyan natin ng flash. So, ayan. Pauwi na kami home. Dito ulit. Naglalakad ulit kami. Sa makapagpapawis lang tayo. Hindi naman yung mahalaga. Freshability pa ba tayo? Wait nyo ako. Hi kayo dali. Hi. Hi.
Hi video.
Hi. Siya.
Shout out.
Siya.
Sabi mo shout out.
True.
Naulit.
Mahiyain na naman ang aking Janatis. Pero wala siyang hiya, guys, talaga. Sa totoong buhay lang. Kailangan natin ng flash eh. Kasi, yung ilaw nitong tripod. Tripod ba tawag ito? Yung ilaw nitong tripod is tinanggal ni daddy. Hindi niya pa nababalik. Bawalak niya sana i-convert sa mas matagal na battery life. Pero, as of now, hindi niya pa rin nababalik. Ganun. So, ayan. Liliko na tayo, guys. Ay. Super dilim. So, mamaya na lang ulit. Kasi baka may matisod ako, diba? Wala na ako may gusto nun. So, guys, bye-bye. Ayun sila. Mga aso dito, wild dogs. So, yan. Dilim na naman, te. Kung kailan madilim, magbibideo. Ay! May utok ka. Oo. So, guys, idol kasi namin si Boss Rino. So, balak namin mag-content ng mga horror content. Balak lang naman, nagbabalak pa lang. Huwag kayong OA. So, ayan. Balik. So, sasauli lang namin ang bike sa tito namin sa kabila. Saan nakatira ang aming lolo. Saan kami pumunta ng last. So yeah, later na lang. Diba? Super daming aso! What's that? Sia, there's motor. What's that? Sia? Sing ka, sing. Harap dito, harap.
Depende. I-schedule. Hindi, tatapusin ko muna yung bago bumalik dun eh.
What's that?
Store!
Sing. Sing ka. Why? Oh, kiss ka na lang sa camera. Kiss. Kiss mo yung camera. Bye-bye. Oh, may e-bike, anak. Wait, wait. There's e-bike ko. Sit down. Sing. No, why?
Liquor store.
Ba't basa ka?
Peep, peep, peep. Oh,
High blood ako eh.
Galing ah. Ay,
Hindi ka ma-high blood ko. Nakuwas ka nakatunganga.
oh, tingin muna kung may motor. Bye. Pasko na dito sa amin, November, ano pa lang, 3. Yan, may mga anik-anik na dyan. Sa amin, wala pang ano eh. Wala pa kaming Christmas, Christmas lights.
no, I got it. Yeah, oh, yo. I'm Gigi. Look, got the treat. Where are you? I'm Gigi the witch.
Knock, knock. Again. Knock, knock. Sing.
Oh, you.
Kala ko bibili.
I'm Gigi.
Parang kasi nakikita sa generic eh. Sa
Witch. Ito ang witch.
Tatayin lang na, tapos papakot ko to.
So, ayan. Bibili kami ngayon sa drugstore. Mercury Drug or drugstore. Kahit saan. Or sa tindahan lang. Kung saan merong betadine.
Ulam natin.
Kahit
Gawin
ano.
mo muna yung tablet eh.
Gawin mo muna. Harap, 6 ano na eh. Anong oras na rin? Sige. Nasa isusi? Okay. Dio! Kasya pa dyan? Bola. So, ayan. Mauna na daw sila. Iwan nila ako. Nalaglag pa yung ano ah. Uwi muna kami guys kasi may gagawin si daddy na tablet. So we need to go home first. Arte naman magsalita. Uwi muna kami. Para gawin niya muna yung tablet. Pandagdag oras din yon. Lapit na ako sa aming street. Lakad-lakad. Julet. So, we're here sa street namin. Tricycle pa. Ito yung street namin, guys. Alam nyo. Puntahan nyo. Oop! Lakad na ah! So we're here again in our house.
Sarado meme.
Knock what? Knock.
Dabugo.
Trick or treat daw. Hello. Ayun guys, we're here na naman sa bahay. Ayan, nakauwi na kami. Thank God kasi ang sakit ng binti ko. Nangangalay-ngalay pa siya, ha? So, ayun. Nakita niyo ba yun ako? Wait lang. Nakita niyo ba yung aking face? Diba? Ano siya?
Sandamukal na ang...
Blue. Ano lang yan? From Limok Beauty. Thank you po sa inyong gloss, lip tint. At meron akong plakadong blush at tag dito? Lip tint. Ganun. So, ayan. Diyan yan sa yellow basket. We're eating na right now and it's already 9 p.m. na. Ayan. Nagkakain na kami. Ang ulam namin ay sinigang na baboy, tapos chicken na fried. Binili lang yun, tsaka siomay. So, yan. Kakain lang. What?
But then again, there already is that reality because before he went to the PBA, he left the Marikina momentarily after his stint with the Botas.
Yay! Here's your prize.
Always says a lot when you go back to your coach.
Yeah.
Like Pwede Panyabog and in his case as well with Coach Cholo Villanueva. Obviously, you know, the core of this Batangas team. Cedric Aplaza, Dexter Apinan, Joe Coloria.
Ay ka sa vlog mo. Hi, vlog.
MJ calling out the play. Chris Porter, by the way, and made his presence known in this game.
So you see, after the physicality,
Sabi mo, hi, vlog.
that sort of loosened up, for a stretch about in the 8-minute mark. Ngayon, mas nag-8-bit na sila.
Dito ka na.
Side diver MJ. They go to John Baloria. A three-pointer. Short. Good recovery for Archea, but the ball was tapped away. Unfortunately, South Cotabato threw it to the wrong man. MJ attacking. The spin creates space. This is Henry Mercalvo. Halfway done in the second quarter. 27 all. Calvo driving, he lost the ball. Penalty shot clock. In order to spin, there's a foul on the floor.
What I like about South Cotabato is that because of their struggle to shoot the ball from the outside, which is their strength, we pointed that out earlier, they're not settling for those jump shots. They settle for a jump shot right there, but even in the closeout, he saw a gap in the middle, able to force a foul eventually. Now he gets rewarded with the 2 free throws. Anytime your identity is a 3-point jump shooting team, at times you're caught in that temptation of that jump shot figuring you out. But sa
Pakita mo
playoffs,
sa camera,
sa mga ganitong laro, close-out game situation, playing away mix, napaka-importante. You know, to put the ball on the deck, to be tough with the basketball, and getting to the free throw line.
It was 1 out of 2 for Nico Elorde. Lakas already in the penalty. One more foul to give for South Cotabato. A turnover. Here's JP Calvo on the attack. He's able to score.
It's a turnover.
Dito anak ko. Ito yung camera. Ayan na, bilog na yan. Yan.
What a response by South
Hard yan.
Cotabato to play away instead of his drop.
No conversion for Batangas City. And Mark Cruz will do for the white shirts. This fast break of the game is brought to you by Sports Max. Max, and partner in the LPBL win to the Max. JP Calvo challenging the defense.
And credit that turnover.
Paano mo?
Yeah, the pass of Plaza. And then trigger the fresh break crowd helps South Cotabato. And JP Calvo with a nice finish on the other end.
30-27. This timeout is brought to you by the LPBL partners ng Kaliga ng
Rest
Mamamayang
way
Pilipino.
today. I care for you. Oh, dali. You get closer. Vitamins ka na. You want vitamins? Where's your vitamins? Oh, last one na, last one, anak. Saan ang vitamins mo? Dali. Where's your vitamins? Iusog mo nga siya doon dito. Kunin yung vitamins.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're very happy to share with you guys the LPBL finals will happen in Dubai this coming December. That's December 1 and 3. The first
Saan
two
ba?
games,
Dito na lang sa gitna.
the finals for our 6th season. And now, we turn you over to Andrea.
Gago, di na
Kung
nakita.
sa Batangas, puro adjustments for South Cotabato. Coach Elvis Tolentino said, we will keep doing what we are doing. Lalo na raw ngayon, that his players have become more submissive to his system. Kumbaga, binigay na nila yung buong tiwala nila kay Coach Elvis in this tough stretch. Akinig lang ng coaches, as Coach Guido mentioned, physicality is expected, kaya kailangan ng mahabang pasensya at composure and to prepare for that physicality. Kahit nga ang mga veterano nila ay nag-e-ensayong pangkatid. At hindi kasama din si the trainings, that's why they are committing back to you guys.
Well, this is definitely the time for them to submit
Kaya
to
mo?
Messi. It's winning time.
So, may upuan mo doon.
After all. And you gotta be happy for Coach Elvis as well because
So,
remember,
do you plan?
in the previous years, Martina, yes, they went to the playoffs, but they did not
Push mo,
win a single
push.
game. So he's actually experiencing his first set of victories in our postseason as his
Galing
first
ah.
quarter scoring for Batangas City.
A nice play off a timeout after getting the stop. Defensive possession para sa
Laki na ng baby ni Zia namin.
The hefty Chris Porter who takes advantage of his size and then he gets 2 feet in the paint. Nice baby hook.
He was brought in after all for his post presence.
Kumukha na ng sarili niyang vitamin.
That's good.
Careful lang, hawakan mga maigi.
Changing defense after the timeout.
Careful.
1-2-2 half court that jumps into a 2-3
Okay.
zone. At the second
Hawakan
defensive
maigi.
possession, they allow
2 hands.
to hit a 3
With 2 hands, anak. 2 hands.
33-29. TJ
Yan.
Eason.
Of the John Valoria for 3.
No good. Ball out of bounds.
Good job! High five. Galing nga. Ito yung vitamins ni Sia from Being Well C.
Back in once again.
Andiyan niya sa yellow basket. Dito ka.
Scored it so far in 5.5 minutes of play, but he should be comfortable playing inside the Batangas City
Wesley
Coliseum.
baby.
Final
Gusto niya pag iinom siya ng vitamins, kakantahan siya ng gano'n.
Mark Cruz.
Kami.
Horns.
Wesley
They go right. Acuña, right on cue. Just couldn't convert. Batangas with a good chance. A Plaza attacks. John slows
Last
down,
one.
back set. He hands it off to CJ Eason. Set to work with Eason.
Get well soon. I'll
Back to
make
center
sure
of
you do.
Plaza. Down the ball
Ang
goes.
sarap nito, guys.
Tapped and recovered by Donald.
Ito yung from Be Well C Kids. Meron na siyang ascorbic acid and zinc na siya. And it's like
Mama!
yan sa yellow basket.
Mama!
Napunta.
Isi, Mommy! Sini, Mommy! Sini, Mommy!
Derby Cruz who has 11 already.
Ano?
To lead on scorers. He's just waiting for the offense to come to him. He's shooting. He's very opportunistic and making advantage of the open
Wesley today. I care for you. Yung si Wachana. Siya. Guling!
But look at this one. Drive. Kick. Marvin Janicio. Late and uncontrolled closeout. Good call by the official. This one simple. Horns. Dive. Pop. Jeremy Cruz takes the shot.
That's the second three-pointer in this game. Valoria just made his first out of 3 tries.
Uy, ba't ka mas yan?
Tanisha was able to avoid the feet of Valoria at the last second. That was important because he had been called an unspoken.
Thank you! Thank you!
It's 36 and 35. Minute and 10
Thank
before
you.
halftime.
Oh, I thought Jeremy Cruz missed some Barito in that big gap in the middle as they tried to break the zone. Now they're forced to reset their offense.
Whoa! Three-pointer, the first in this game for Malacuña. For exchanging threes.
What's the saying? No guts, no glory, and Malacuña, the first inaugural MVP of the MPBL. Certainly one of the gutsiest players. Walang konsensya itong taong to. Trust me, he's been my teammate.
This three-point shot is brought to you by Extreme One-Stop Shop Appliances that increases the lead to 4 points for South Cotabato with 56 seconds remaining before the end of 2.
Mahal kita. Ang dami ko ba?
Ano wala na?
Oo. Tanga. Lamig no.
Sabi mo sa kanila. Sabi mo na.
Sini, Mommy! Sini,
Again,
Dada!
two games in the finals on December 1 and 3 in Dubai. Everyone near the stadium, everyone
ito
in
yan?
Dubai to be a part of our
Dubai mo
festivities.
lalaro.
And for everybody here in the Philippines, you can still, of course, anticipate game
Ayos
number
ka.
This is
Wala ka sa
hard.
pagkayo dyan
4
eh.
and 5
Oh, Dubai.
for the top 2 teams
Hard. Pakita mo.
of our campaign.
Heart.
Excel 32, 34, 6, 13. You better remember those numbers, my friend.
Ito yung camera.
Yeah, we're going to be visiting you in our upcoming trip.
Galing mo.
We wish you final for Coach Christian.
Thank you.
Heart!
Now we refocus.
Heart.
With
I'm telling you,
Batangas City dapat.
Ganon,
Rearrange the calendar next season. I
Para
used to
sa'yo. Para
be,
sa'yo.
this is the first time I'm missing yung mga
Sini, heart.
games out of the Philippines to
Right,
MPBL.
Well, as we say, you can't have it all.
That's true.
CJ Isit. Conto Levy Hernandez, Batangas is top scorer. He's up to 11.
Philippines.
Batangas in this game, even though it's been a strong start for the away team in South Cotabato, they've been resilient. And the Batangas in response.
Plus one for
Ano yung ano?
In terms of
Mommy.
in their attempt.
Dada.
Attacking. Oh, that was a wild
How
speed.
about-
Iko.
I love
What
that
shape
one of
is
the
this?
things they will certainly talk about at halftime. You know,
No,
the
what shape
switching
is this
defense
shape?
1 to 5 by Batangas of how they can
What shape is
capitalize
that?
and take advantage of the mismatches either from the outside or from the inside. I think they should go inside.
It's circle.
Now, Pocholo has a chance to regain the lead for Batangas City, which
Circle
they
like
had
this.
at the end of the first quarter,
What shape is this?
23-21. It's been
Circle.
since the very
How about
beginning.
this? How about
Lead
this,
was
anak?
only 5 for South
See, what
Cotabato
shape is this?
and 4 for the home squad.
What
They have
shape?
16
Ay, ito.
seconds to work
What
with.
shape is that?
Will it be Levy Hernandez once more? As
Yes.
Valoria is their second leading scorer,
Triangle.
tied with Ambulugto.
Triangle.
6 points each.
How about this?
That's to neutralize the 11-5-5 of Jerby and
What
Mark
shape?
the Cruzes of the Warriors and Jammer Hamida joining the picture
Circle.
as well. Earlier today, if you missed it, the Quezon Huskers were able to defeat
Circle.
Paranaque Patriots, sweeping their second
How
round
about
series, and they will await the winner
this?
of
What's
Batangas
this?
in South Cotabato.
You know what that means? We
What?
got pizza tomorrow in our practice. Pakita yan eh, si Coach Eric.
Right.
Every time they advance,
It's ice.
May pizza yan.
Ice.
Oh, you saw how happy he was? It is supposed to be
Ice.
over.
Congratulations.
Sini, mommy.
They were clearly their team, but Paranaque was a worthy team, a worthy opponent.
Yeah. Congratulations.
Good
Quezon really had to earn those 2 wins.
Six seconds for Batangas. CJ Isit is fouled by Hoson. That's the last foul to give of South Cotabato.
Ganun na. Ganun ka.
But that would mean 3 already
Yan, ganyan.
for Enzo
Diba?
Hoson in this game. He's the
Yan.
lone guy in foul trouble for South
Yan,
Cotabato.
ganyan. Ganyan. Okay.
Mabigat yan para kay Enzo because hindi pa niya
Hindi
makuha
ganun
yung rhythm
ka,
niya
ganun. Kasi
offensively.
maglalaro tayo, ganyan, like that.
Niya, pangat nakuha niya na yung pangatlo niya.
Step back for Jong. That's short. Our first half action here in Batangas City. South Cotabato up by 1.
Ganyan ulit.
But this has been a highly physical, especially in the first
Yeah.
10 to 12 minutes of this game. At the same time, the execution of both teams has
This
been on
one lang.
point.
Okay,
Jeremy
ganun ulit.
Cruz
Ganito ulit.
has led the way for
Yan,
South
yan, yan.
Cotabato right there. No handoff, pivot, shot. This is one set, pop, made basket. Both
pa.
teams shooting over 40%.
Na. Up here.
Their execution on the offensive end has been on point.
High
The
five.
Sometimes Score is brought to you by GameX. GameX Sports, the official online basketball.
Yan.
The NBA.
Yan.
Basta ending, GameX.
Again.
Lagi mong
Again.
sinisiguradong patas.
Sige, ganyan.
Lagi mong inuuna kung anong dapat. Hindi mo kayang malunok ang katotohanang
Yan, 1, 2, 3. Sabay dapat.
kabayang
Dos,
gutom
ganun.
at walang
1, 2, 3, go.
tahanan. Kaya
Go.
hindi ka tumigil sa paglaban. Harapin ang kahirapan. Nangangailangan. Basagin ang korupsyon na kanina sa bayan, sa loob at labas. Man ng Pinas.
Di ko naman kita.
Bakas ang iyong tapang puksain ang mga problema ng bansa gamit ang lakas, gamit ang isip,
Ano yan?
gamit ang puso.
Yang klaway.
Para sa mamamayang Pilipino, si MP.
Ano sa Cotabato ka?
Manny Pacquiao.
Ito mo ba lang? Parang ka may mansyong ka. Nasa tatawi-tawi ka.
Sakit. Sayo.
Mansion plus 1 million.
Okay lang.
Tawi ka. Ang pagbili mo ng ano, dagat, tawid dagat.
Sa dun ka na, lahat nandun na. Okay lang. Tapos yung babae,
Last year at the Batangas City Coliseum,
Babae
your
ka.
Maharlika Pilipinas
Tapos paligid
basketball
niya.
here at
Mga
the
mall.
Game 2 of Southern Division
Tapos nandun na lahat, may pala.
Wala nga eh.
Bato Warriors
Biyahe nga
and the
lang.
Batangas City.
Ay, basta may sasakyan.
My name is Andrea and Misha, and right now we will be having our halftime interview together with Mike Sorrera, one of the players of the Bato Warriors, and of course our Gilbert Andrea, the assistant team manager of the Batangas Cities and Dwyer of Masters.
So,
Thank you so much,
ito pa rin yung blush
gentlemen,
ko.
for joining me here at the halftime.
Yung
Muna,
lippy,
itong
konti
Mike.
na lang.
And Mike, being a player yourself, kita mo naman,
Done
dikit na dikit
eating and
ang
see
laban. Ano ba sa tingin mo yung
walang
magiging susi para
basketball.
makalayo ang inyong team?
Siguro, mas doble ng effort ng team.
So, yun lang guys. Later na ulit.
Makasab. And then,